What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I have a video from Posh Kicks. If you are new to the channel and you aren't familiar with Posh Kicks is a shoe website where you can get all different kinds of shoes from Jordan, Nike, Balenciaga, and any kind of shoe that you might want. But before we get to the video, press the subscribe button. On the road to 1K. Again, this is a brand new channel, so if you are new to the channel and you mess with the content, please give me a subscribe, a like, and everything else. Comment down below what shoes y'all want to see me review in the future. And I also have more videos on the way for y'all, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna talk y'all heads off. I'm gonna get straight into the video. Okay, so today what we have is a pair of Marni slippers, man. I've been wanting a pair of these for the longest. If you know what Marni is, man, you know about the slippers. But I'm ready to get into this, see how they look, review the quality, and yeah, that's what you get when you open it. You got the little Marni tag right there. Then you got the dust bag right here, just in case you wanna slip them holes in there. Then right there. Then we're gonna get into the actual art of this video. They come in clear bag. Got the first slippers, man. Right here. Let's go. That orange, man. It looks good. Stuff inside of them. Marni. Yeah. I've been wanting these for the longest, and I actually got them. So now we finna put that shit on with these. You can wear these around the house. You just slip them on when you go into the store and everything. But yep. Right here. Get into it. Y'all see it? It says Marni on the inner sole. And these don't shed. They don't shed. So if you gonna put that shit on, you ain't gotta worry about the shedding and shit. But yeah, this is the end of the video. This is the bottom. It says made in Italy on the bottom. So yeah, I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. Gotta give them a 10 out of 10. As always, appreciate you, Emily, for looking out, sending me shoes, and just the reviewing. Quality is always top notch. I'm telling you, I never got a pair of shoes from Posh Kicks and that was bad quality. Like, the weight on them is great. The material is great. Stitching always on point. So you never gonna go wrong with Posh Kicks. That's all I got to say. But stay tuned for my next videos, because I will be dropping another shoe review. Then I got clothing reviews that I need to drop, so just stay tuned for that. But y'all, please make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, because on the road to 1K again, man. Appreciate y'all for the monkey app video. Y'all got that to 500, and then I posted that almost 2 weeks ago. So yeah, that's going up. Appreciate y'all for that. Go check out my clothing brand. Links will be down in the description below, so y'all can go check into that. Beanies are available for pre-order only. This is one of the beanies right here. And then my other red beanie, I'm finna sell that one. So pre-orders, if you aren't familiar with the pre-order method or whatever, it's basically you pre-buying the item before you actually get it. Just like when you pre-order a game like 2K or something, you buying it before you actually get it. So it'll take a little minute. Production always take 2 2 to 3 weeks, and then after they've been shipped to me, then that's when they'll be shipped out. So you sign up for the email list and stuff, and you order, you will get email updates about your order and stuff. But this video has came to an end. Please make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Always subscribe. Support is free, liking is free, subscribing is free, commenting is free. I will always interact with y'all back. So yeah, stay tuned for that next video starting now.
The Maybach shop ain't met me yet, just know I'ma be there soon. The pilot probably don't know my name, but a private jet finna get flew. No stylist for me and the crew. I want whips to match my shoes, so I need checks. I don't need you.